आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत स्पेशल हैं क्योंकि उनका काम जो है उसमें कंपैशन, पैशन और दिल से काम करने की जरूरत है. One word your students at IBA would use for you. One word KDSP families would use for you. A song that instantly lifts your mood. A song, a music, a thought. If it's not a song.
It's always a song.
Okay.
I'm a big music lover.
Wonderful.
There's no one song, but many songs. But yeah, I mean, like for example, Kavish is my favorite band. एक सिर्फ ड्रीम अलग है और वो ड्रीम सिर्फ ये है कि सोसाइटी उनको एक्सेप्ट कर ले. और ये उनका सबसे बड़ा ख्वाब है कि जब हम मॉल में जाएं तो कोई हमें मुड़ के ना देखे या हमें मॉल से निकाला नहीं जाए. जब हम स्कूल्स में जाएं तो हमें एडमिशन्स दे दिया जाए सिर्फ ऐसे कि जो हम दिखते हैं उसकी वजह से हमें एडमिशन मना नहीं किया जाए.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of Rise Beyond Titles. This is the space where we celebrate real stories of real people who are making a difference in our society. आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत स्पेशल हैं क्योंकि उनका काम जो है उसमें कंपैशन, पैशन और दिल से काम करने की ज़रूरत है. So welcome Tabish to the show. ताबिश का थोड़ा सा मैं इंट्रोडक्शन करा दूँ before we start asking questions to ताबिश. ताबिश का ताल्लुक KDSP से है जहाँ पे वो इन बच्चों के साथ ना सिर्फ काम कर रही हैं बल्कि एक सोसाइटी में एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट किरदार प्ले कर रही है जहाँ वो माइंडसेट चेंज करने की बात कर रही हैं, जहाँ पे इंक्लूजन की बात कर रही हैं, जहाँ पे न्यूरो डाइवर्सिटी को एक्सेप्टेबल बना रही है पाकिस्तान में. और इसके अलावा वो IBA में फैकल्टी मेंबर भी हैं और हर तरह से शी इज़ मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. So Tabish, thank you so much for coming to this show and accepting my request of talking to you.
No, thank you so much for having me on your show. It's an honor. It's an absolute honor for me.
Zabardast. So let's start with how this change came in. क्योंकि मुझे ये तो पता है कि एक अरसे से आप डेवलपमेंट सेक्टर में काम कर रही हैं क्योंकि हमारी मुलाकात भी इसी तरह की एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हुई थी. लेकिन मेरी ट्रेजेक्टरी थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट हो गई. You stayed in the development sector, but what made this particular change?
Well, I'm a business graduate. I graduated around 26 years ago. And like any other business graduated, I also dreamt of taking care of brands. You know, जब आप graduate करते हैं तो एक brand graduate की ये ख्वाब होता है कि उसको फौरन एक brand मिल जाए. But Allah was very kind. I got opportunity to work in multiple FMCGs, MNCs here in Pakistan and in UAE as well. But then I had my firstborn. Okay. And that's when I was asked by my best friend. Back in those years, daycare का concept Pakistan में इतना common नहीं था. And I'm a very particular mother in that way. So she said, why don't you take a break from your commercial job and start working in a non-profit sector? Because थोड़ा सा कम काम है, थोड़ा सा relaxed environment है. मैं आज तक उसको ढूंढ रही हूँ कि कहाँ है वो कम काम और relaxed environment.
Absolutely.
Because it's not true at all. But that's how I ended up joining the development sector. And it's now been a couple of decades that I've been linked to the development sector. And yes, there were opportunities to go back to the commercial sector, but I think now there's no turning back because I have found my purpose.
All right, wonderful. तो आपने ये तो बता दिया कि you came into the development sector because of a particular need that you had. But what was that moment that turned into your purpose? We would like to know that.
I mean, that's a very personal and emotional story that I would like to share because so she was working in an organization working for education for the less privileged. And that's where I was asked to visit one of their schools in a very impoverished area in slums of Karachi. And then I visited that school and the children that I met who otherwise had no opportunity to go to any of the schools, but their eyes were full of dreams.
Okay.
Their eyes were so bright and their aspirations were far, far better and bigger than anyone else I knew of. Because also because of the fact that I was weighing the opportunity that they had. They were made to work at home, but yet they also chose to keep a balance in their studies. Given the opportunity, they would have had like a much relaxed life. Why would they fight for getting themselves education? But unki aspirations were much bigger. I can't take names, but then some kids that I met, unke jo ख्वाब थे, belonging from that slum area, कि हमने space में जाना है.
Wow.
The fact that they knew about space and the fact that with the limited opportunity that they had dreams of going to space. Even teacher बनना है. Because they knew कि उनकी जिंदगी एक टीचर ने बदली है और उन्होंने multiple जिंदगियां बदलनी है. आगे जाके जिंदगियां बदलनी है. You know, these little dreams, little and big dreams, actually made me think that what am I doing? I'm just working to fulfill my dream.
Yeah.
But Allah had other plans. मैं ज़रूर land ज़रूर करी थी by default, but I think this was designed by Allah. That this is where I should be. This is where I found my purpose. Because you see, even Simon Sinek says that, you know, people don't buy what you do. They buy why you do it.
Exactly.
And it's literally, मैं समझती हूँ कि अल्लाह की बहुत बड़ी blessing है that I have been able to find my why. A lot of people don't.
They don't.
Right?
Absolutely.
And a lot of people, they deny the fact that this is their role in the world. But alhamdulillah.
And I can see that emotional connection through your eyes, because I can see that, you know, that emotions coming into your eyes when you're sharing this thought and process. तो वो जो है आपको hook मिल गई. You know, you need that hook to move into the life. And I'm so glad that you are one of the chosen ones who actually got that hook, and you are making a lot of impact in a lot of people's lives. And coming to your current role now in KDSP, I think पिछले 2 साल से आप associated हैं KDSP से. So पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारे misconceptions हैं, people who are different. I mean, different को ही हम बहुत तरीक़ों से misconceive करते हैं. तो किस तरह के perceptions आप face करती हैं around your work, and how through KDSP you're working on challenging those misconceptions?
Well, that's a fantastic question, and I can go on for hours on that because now I'm living that life. Pakistan में ये concept of marginalizing any community, community तो छोड़े, I would say any thought process is very common.
Any belief,
any thought process. इंसान का कोई भी सोचने का अलग तरीका है ना, उसको marginalize.
दिखने का अलग तरीका, पहनने का अलग तरीका, उसको
कुछ भी अलग है.
एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते.
एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज हमारी माइंडसेट जो है ना वो बहुत जैसे कहते हैं ना एक स्टक हुआ है एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न पे. द मोमेंट यू काइंड ऑफ मूव अराउंड अ लिटिल बिट, पीपल get out of their discomfort and say, oh, ये तो, you know, this is not what is normal.
Exactly.
But the word normal is what I question. What is normal for me might not be normal for you.
Absolutely.
Right? And for many other people. It's our we just have to realize that it's our definition. We don't have to impose our definition of normal to others. The word normal in the field that I work is not used anymore. We say typical and neurotypical. We don't say normal and the other word because, of course, we don't accept the other word. So perception, especially Pakistan में neurodiversity को लेकर, they're very deep rooted. बहुत deep rooted stigma है. That's the biggest challenge of KDSP. Changing the mindset of parents. Because we have a full range of services for our children and adults, wherein we have education, early intervention therapies, healthcare, skills development. But जो हमारी core responsibility है और जो सबसे बड़ा challenge है is changing the mindset of our parents. Because when they hear the words in the hospital when their babies are born and the news is broken by the words, I am sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
Rather than congratulations, you've been blessed with a baby girl who has Down syndrome.
Yeah.
This news is broken by saying, I'm sorry you have a child with Down syndrome. Or you have a Down syndrome child.
It comes as a shock.
It is. That's where their misery starts. Absolutely. Because half of the population doesn't have any idea what Down syndrome means. But then the other half are made to think about what is life ahead, what life has for them, for their child also. बट देन अगेन हमारे पास पेरेंट्स जब इस दरवाजे से एंटर होते हैं ना, उनकी आंखों में करोड़ों सवालात होते हैं, बिकॉज वो अपने बच्चे को लेकर हमारे पास जब आते हैं ना, तो वो ये सुन के आते हैं कि ये कभी चल नहीं सकेगा, ये कभी बोल नहीं सकेगी, ये तुम पे एक बर्डन है, इसकी कोई जिंदगी नहीं है,
ये तो इम्तिहान है, या बेचारे,
एग्जैक्टली बेचारे। और ये एक
बेचारे के
इम्तिहान,
साथ।
किस चीज का इम्तिहान है? टेल मी, either the parents or the kid, did they have a choice?
No.
They had a choice to stop that extra chromosome. It's Allah's extra blessing.
True.
Because Down syndrome occurs when there is an extra chromosome in the body of an individual with Down syndrome. There's a very
Special, something extra.
something extra, right? There's a very interesting TEDx by a very prominent advocate of Down syndrome, and she asked the audience that I have one extra which none of you have.
Wow.
How am I any lesser than any one of you in the audience?
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually मैं अपनी टीम को यही कहती हूँ कि हम एक जंग लड़ रहे हैं against the society. But inshallah we have won it up till now because passion है
बिल्कुल
हर एक में कि ये चीज बदलनी है, और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी everything will be aligned and mindset will change.
I think you guys are making great waves in the society. People like Down syndrome and other organizations, similar organizations, are doing some wonderful work in their space. And हर तरीके से आप सोसाइटी में इम्पैक्ट की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, चाहे कॉर्पोरेट्स के थ्रू हो, चाहे स्कूल और एजुकेशन के थ्रू हो, तो एटलीस्ट दैट थॉट इज कमिंग इन, और रिलेटिवली एक सर्टन सोसाइटी में तो इस चीज़ की अवेयरनेस काफ़ी बेहतर होना शुरू हो गई है. सो दैट्स वंडरफुल. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन डूइंग दिस अमेजिंग वर्क दैट यू गाइज आर डूइंग.
Thank you.
But here we will take a little pause from all this deep and serious talk, though emotions वैसे ही flow कर रहे हैं. So you might not like it, but that's the kind of format that I have kind of followed throughout. And in this segment we are going to make it a little fun and exciting. It's a rapid fire round, very typical. I'm going to throw a few questions at you and you have to give the answer on spot. Okay, so are you ready? All right, great. So tea or coffee?
Tea.
Oh wow, wonderful, great. One word your students at IBA would use for you. One word. What is it that comes to your mind?
Disciplined.
Discipline, wonderful, great. One word KDSP families would use for you.
I don't want to boast about myself, but maybe a good listener.
A listener, wonderful, great. Is वक्त I'm on the listening end and you are the talker, but doing great, wonderfully well. So you are a great talker as well. Your comfort food after a long emotional day?
Dal chawal.
Wow, very traditional, but yes, it can be called a comfort food at times. Yes, a song that instantly lifts your mood. A song, a music, a thought. If it's not a song,
it's always a song.
Okay.
I'm a big music lover.
Wonderful.
There's no one song, but many songs. But yeah, I mean, like for example, Kavish is my favorite band. I love all of their songs.
Okay.
So
you play the music and then it uplifts you.
Oh yes, I mean, music can change my mood like this.
Wonderful.
And I think my team has gotten to know that mantra कि ताबिश का मूड ठीक करने के लिए एक अच्छा सा म्यूजिक प्ले कर दे and she'll be all fine.
चले, जबरदस्त. A habit that your friends usually tease you about?
That I don't share a lot.
Okay. Great. तो हम अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
About my personal things.
हाँ. ठीक है, चलें. That's also good in certain way. Okay, there are things you sort out within you yourself rather than sharing it with the larger audience.
I think that's how I'm attuned to process emotions myself, and just because that's also that has helped me not absorb a lot of things in me, because I'll probably have to process it myself.
Yeah. So okay, that's great. वैसे मैं भी कुछ इस तरह की हूँ, so I can relate to it perfectly well. अच्छा, कोई ऐसा कोर्स जो IB में आप इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहें जो अभी ना हो, या किसी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट में इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहें?
For me, I think it would be soft skills management.
Okay.
Because I think a lot of emphasis is being put on teaching hard skills, which are technical skills. कि आपको coding आ जाए, आपको brand management आ जाए, आपको research management आ जाए. But nobody talks to them and teaches them like in a process way, in a systematic way, and how to be a good human being.
All right.
How to be a good team player and so on and so forth.
So, okay. A hidden talent that not many people know about or cannot guess, probably.
I am a very good cook.
Okay.
I make very good nihari.
अच्छा, so yet to find out. ठीक है. और obviously हमारे जो audience है वो उससे इस्तेफादा नहीं उठा सकते, but I can.
Definitely, inshallah.
अच्छा, one thing that always makes you laugh, no matter what.
Being with my sisters.
Okay.
It has hardly been a case that we haven't laughed our heads off whenever we are together, either by reliving some moments or creating some new ones.
Okay, Zabardast. So with your family, with your sisters, it's great to have sisters, by the way. I don't have any, so I've missed that, and I can, resonate and relate to that. That if you have sisters, you have people you can share a lot with.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that you're blessed with them. If you could describe your mission in one sentence or one word, if whatever is suitable for you.
My personal mission or KDSP's mission?
Your mission.
I don't know. Maybe help people be good humans.
Great. That's a very wonderful mission, because मुश्किल काम ही तो यही है.
मुश्किल नहीं है इतना.
अपने आप को बेहतर बनाना मुश्किल काम है. देखा जाए, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
मेहनत तो हर चीज में. बुरा बनने के लिए भी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. इंसान बुरे नहीं होते, लेकिन कभी कभार सोसाइटी के प्रेशर्स में आके, कभी कभार मिसकंसेप्शंस को बहुत स्ट्रांगली लेकर इंसान कुछ चीजों में पड़ जाते हैं, which takes them away from being human beings. Everybody has potential of being amazing human beings. You just have to tap into the right potential. That's exactly the reason why I'm continuing teaching. It's very difficult for me to take out time to continue teaching, but
exactly,
I know
that I
that
was wondering कि कैसे कर रही हो तुम? How are you doing so much?
But I take that as an opportunity to bring about even 1% change in one of the 40 students that I teach every semester. मेरे लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ी achievement है. पढ़ाना is one part of it. Of course, making them social change agents, that's one part of it. But primarily मेरा जो hidden नहीं है, मैं outright बोलती हूँ, it's an open agenda is to make them good human beings. And I try my best.
That's great work that you're doing, by the way. So I'm hats off to you. मुश्किल काम है, पढ़ाना, बताना, सिखाना, लेकिन hats off to you for that.
Thank you.
And with this we come to though it was supposed to be a fun segment, but went a little deep again. But I'm glad that we were able to talk about something different other than KDSB, though it was emotional and very thoughtful, very meaningful. But I'm glad that we did that.
No, because let me tell you, this is why, because we are sitting at a place which is full of emotions.
Exactly.
And let me tell you, Urusa, when I used to come to this place to meet people, to give interviews, which was like many interviews, I could feel something was different in the air. I worked in the development sector, as you mentioned, right? And for many years. But I could tell there is something different. I just couldn't get to the point what it is. And when I joined, I realized it's this compassion and flows of emotions at every corner of KDSB, in whatever happens.
Okay.
वो research भी हो रही होती है ना, focus group भी हो रहा होता है, pilot project हो रही होती है, data analytics होता है. If it's not done with the right emotions, if it's not done with compassion, it'll never get done.
और believe you me, वो vibe मुझ तक भी आ रही है, क्योंकि मुझे feel हो रहा है, I'm getting goosebumps, so मुझे मेरे अंदर वो emotions flow कर रहे हैं, no matter what. So I can sense that and I can feel that. So you're so right about that. कि this place has that aura, that intensity which actually flows your emotions. So with all the bharpoor emotions, let's further dive into what we've been discussing earlier about the kind of expectation or the kind of feeling parents have when they hear about Down syndrome. But when they come here, when they come to KDSP, what is it that they want to believe in? What is it that they want to hear from KDSP? What kind of thoughts do they want to hear?
Okay, so for our first interaction with the parents when they enter the doors of KDSP is we call it a first family contact. It's an FFC. It's hours long of interaction and briefing wherein we change the mindset. We try and change the mindset of the parents जो वो society से सुनकर आ रहे होते हैं यही कि वो कभी चल नहीं पाएगा या कभी बोल नहीं पाएगा या कभी तालीम हासिल नहीं कर पाएगा या वो उठ के अपने दांत ब्रश नहीं कर पाएगा and so on and so forth. But when they come to us, as you asked, the only thing that they want to hear from us is that we are there for them.
Oh, okay.
और जब हम उनको अपनी सर्विसेज के बारे में बताते हैं they can feel it. Okay, we have started our service from day one of the child's life, where we start giving them therapies because the earlier the better. Because आप जितना delay करेंगे उतना delay इनके development में होगा.
True.
To education, to healthcare needs हैं, okay, we are there. Financial needs हैं, okay, we are there. Transport needs हैं, we are there. Skills सिखाने हैं, आपका बच्चा बड़ा है, हमने उनको हुनर सिखा दिया, उनको entrepreneurs बना दिया. उनको अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं तो अपनी जिंदगी पर्पसफुली जीने का मकसद दे दिया, राइट? बिकॉज पेरेंट्स हमारे पास अगर सिर्फ नाउमीदी के साथ आते हैं ना, हमारा कोर ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है दैट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट देम इनटू लॉट्स ऑफ उम्मीद, लॉट्स ऑफ होप्स, लॉट्स ऑफ प्लान्स फॉर दीज किड्स, बिकॉज देन वी प्लान with the parent. It becomes a triangle.
Yeah.
It's the kid, the parent, and KDSP.
True.
Every kid is equally important for us. So all our therapy plans, all our education plans, skills plan are individualized to a person.
Wow.
Individualized to a student. It's not one size fits all at all.
Absolutely. And that's what the difference is. And I think that's where the whole game is, that how you individualize each child's growth and progress, as well as at the same time, you're providing so much hope, so much, life to these parents and the kids. I think, again, hats off. Wonderful.
So our services is known as Kashti.
Okay.
So Kashti,
such a beautiful,
and there is a connotation to it. And we say the moment the parents enter the doors of KDSP, we get on this Kashti with them. And it's a lifelong suffer. Kashti is actually an abbreviation of our 6 service areas.
Okay.
Yeah, so K stands for Khandani Sahara, wherein we work with the family support. A stands for Agahi, wherein we prepare the society. Jab families ka mindset badal jata hai, they have to go out in the society. Then we tell the society to be inclusive. S is for Sehat, meeting their healthcare needs. H is for Hunar, teaching them skills.
Yeah.
T is for Talim, education. And I is for early childhood intervention.
Okay.
Ibtidai bunyad. Wherein we give 3 kinds of therapies. Yeah, because you see, when initially parents used to come to KDSP for a focus group, like a family support session. That's how KDSP was born. जब parents साथ बैठना शुरू हुए, जब अपनी problems share करना उन्होंने शुरू करी, and there was no other idara for people with Down syndrome. And that's why KDSP was born.
Yeah.
Even now, the families tell us that, okay, you're doing good work for our kids, amazing work for our kids, but the work that you guys are doing for us, it's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Because we have a dedicated department working for the mental health of our parents, working towards meeting their financial needs, providing them all the traveling allowance that they need, and so on and so forth. Because emotional support group sessions होते हैं, informational support group sessions होते हैं for the parents. Because parents हमारे पास बहुत दफा ना suicidal thoughts लेकर आते हैं. When mothers get to hear कि तुमने क्या ऐसा किया है कि ये बच्चा ऐसा पैदा हो. Imagine.
Oh my God.
A mother comes to us saying कि मुझे
हमारे यहाँ तो बेटी पैदा होने पे माओ को कितना सुनना पड़ता है, तो rest aside, this phenomena.
But then again, even for beti or individual with Down syndrome, what did the mother have to do? Yeah. So, but now the same mothers are saying that our kids are blessings for us.
MashaAllah. माशा
कि आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव माई डॉटर विद डाउन सिंड्रोम, क्योंकि जितनी खुशी ये मेरी जिंदगी में लाती है ना, because they are so pure. They are just no strings attached, no preconceived notions. उनके decisions, उनका प्यार, उनके बातें, उनके looks वो इतनी pure होती हैं. Like whenever I'm low, I just come and meet my kids, and everything just goes away, vanishes. I'm just so back with the same compassion and the same rigor to start working again for these kids.
क्योंकि आप देखें ना बच्चे हमारे, अगर हम देखें जिस माशरे में, जिस इन्वायरमेंट में बड़े हो रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं जाके इतने मटीरियलिस्टिक हो गए. इवन द रिलेशनशिप आई सी, स्पेशली इन टीनेज, द रिलेशनशिप विद द पेरेंट्स, द रिलेशनशिप विद द पीपल हु matter and the people who care about them is become so materialistic, it's become so mundane कि आप वो लव, वो प्योरिटी, वो एहसास मिस करते हैं. आई मीन एट टाइम्स आई ऑल्सो मिस दैट, व्हेन माय चिल्ड्रन वर यंगर, द फीलिंग वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. सो वो जो प्योरिटी की आप बात कर रही हैं, इट इज सो रियल.
There was a study done by Harvard on a certain group of individuals with Down syndrome, asking them a question that how happy are you with the way you look? 98% said we are happy with the way we look. 98%. Wow. That's a huge number. And then they were asked, is there something that you would like to change in yourself? They said nothing. Nothing at all. आप typical बच्चों से पूछो, उनके पास एक list है.
Exactly.
Right? So I want to change my hair. I want to change my
No one is happy.
Exactly. So how happy are you? 98% they said we are extremely happy. What do we have?
There's so much to learn from these kids.
So the volunteers and the typical students that come to spend time with our students.
I'm definitely bringing my girls here,
When our interns go to the corporate world, their colleagues, they endorse, and even the students endorse that we have learned more from them that they learned from us.
So that these children, they have so much to offer to the world that we're missing that element just by differentiating them, just by not accepting them, just by feeling कि वो बेचारे हैं, जबकि वो बेचारे नहीं, और शायद absolutely and definitely they're more blessed than us.
Definitely. आप बेचारगी की definition क्या है आपके लिए? वो जो प्यार से deprived है, या वो जो माशरे में अपॉर्चुनिटी से डिप्राइव्ड है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो उनके लिए हैं, हम दे नहीं पा रहे. जबकि उसके बावजूद भी वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज ग्रैब कर लेते हैं. दे आर सो पावरफुल.
इमेजिन हाउ दे आर विद इन दिस रिस्ट्रिक्टेड सोसाइटी, क्या क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. आई मीन रिसेंटली आवर फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ एडल्ट ग्रेजुएटेड. नाउ वी हैव 8 entrepreneurs running their own business online independently.
Commendable.
Imagine what they can't do. One of them is weaving and putting patches on denim.
Wow.
And this was his own idea. Amazing. And one of our donors, he came to visit his when he had showcased his work, and he said, either you get it patented and I'm going to take this idea away and sell it to bigger brands in the world, because this is an amazing idea. And we have an amazing person who block prints and sells clothes, scarves, bags online.
Wow.
So 8 entrepreneurs from a day they were being told कि ये अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. From the day they are earning from themselves and for their parents.
Wow.
So एक हमारा art exhibition हुआ था, and then we had amazing paintings from our kids, and all were getting sold pretty fast. So हम एक red dot लगा देते थे हर एक painting में, which would get sold. So one of our artists, Hussain, he was very upset and he was roaming around, and I asked Hussain, क्या हुआ? And he told me, red dot नहीं लग रहा मेरी painting को. I said, लग जाएगा. It's just been like 3 hours since our exhibition. So it's a 5-day long exhibition. But he said, नहीं मुझे अभी लगाना है. I said, no, लग जाएगा. And then while I was roaming around, I hear shouts कि Hussain की painting sold हो गई है और red dot लग गया है. And he was crying.
Oh.
And I asked him, Hussain, तुम क्या करोगे इतने पैसों का? It was a good amount of money. He said, I have to buy a blue bicycle. So tell me, what is the difference in their dreams of as compared to typical kids? No difference at all.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल उतने ही पैशन.
एक सिर्फ ड्रीम अलग है, और वो ड्रीम सिर्फ ये है कि सोसाइटी उनको एक्सेप्ट कर ले. और ये उनका सबसे बड़ा ख्वाब है कि जब हम मॉल में जाएं तो कोई हमें मुड़ के ना देखे या हमें मॉल से निकाला नहीं जाए। जब हम स्कूल्स में जाएं तो हमें एडमिशन्स दे दिया जाए, सिर्फ ऐसे कि जो हम दिखते हैं उसकी वजह से हमें एडमिशन मना नहीं किया जाए। जब हम किसी हॉस्पिटल में जाएं तो हमें इसलिए वापस नहीं भेज दिया जाए क्योंकि इनकी तो कम्प्लेक्सिटी ज़्यादा होती है, ये बेड स्पेस ज़्यादा ले लेंगे।
Oh my God.
एंड दिस इज द रियलिटी आई एम टेलिंग यू। That's why we do so many sensitization sessions in hospitals, universities, schools, corporate organizations, because this is what forms the society,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And everybody has to be inclusive. Everybody has to, because inclusion कोई एक इदारा नहीं है,
बिल्कुल
ये एक सोच है जो हर एक में implement होनी चाहिए। Nobody likes to be tolerated. किसी भी गैदरिंग में अगर आपको ये फील कराया जाए कि तुम्हें बर्दाश्त किया जा रहा है, आपको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा।
बिल्कुल।
यू विल जस्ट वॉक आउट ऑफ दैट गैदरिंग। इमेजिन उन बच्चों का जो सालों से ये फीलिंग लेके चल रहे हैं दैट यू आर बीइंग टॉलरेटेड इन द सोसाइटी। इमेजिन हम एक एक्टिविटी कराते हैं कॉर्पोरेट्स के साथ जिनमें वी मेक देम, actually it's a simulation, we make them feel how an adult with Down syndrome feels when they cannot write with a thinner pencil because they have a condition known as hypotonia, उनकी muscles सही से develop नहीं हुए। So we do that for like 2 minutes कि हम उनसे बोलते हैं उस पेंसिल से लिखें, which they cannot from their non-dominant hand, और हम उनको pressurize करते हैं that you can't write your name, how old are you, you're 40, 45, you can't write your own name। 2 मिनट के लिए हम उनको ये pressure करते हैं just to make them feel how an adult with Down syndrome feels, and they have to feel this pressure for years. And then we say they have behavior issues. It's not their behavior, it's your behavior which is causing them to react in a certain way. You have to change your behavior to make sure they don't react to that.
True. Absolutely. Very thought-provoking and very, emotional messages कि मैं खुद उस बहाव में बह गई हूँ कि मैं अपना अगला सवाल भूल गई हूँ। But जो एक other aspect of your personality is that you're a faculty member at IBA. So as a faculty member, as a teacher, how do you encourage or how do you ensure that there is inclusion in the classroom? How do you teach these students the element of inclusion? Because you just said that inclusion is not just a policy, it's not a charity, it's not something that, हमें करनी चाहिए, अच्छी चीज़ है. It's a mindset. So how do you make sure that you encourage that mindset?
So by the way, I really love this Gen Z. They are more inclusive, more tolerant of difference in opinions, in mindsets, in people than their earlier generations, let me tell you. So मैं बस उसको थोड़ा सा polish करती हूँ. That's it. Because एक तो वैसे ही they are very socially entrepreneurial.
Yeah.
They have this amazing solutions to every social problems.
Yes.
Back in our times when we were in IBA, we won't even think of any social issues कि ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. हमें लगता था कि ये सिर्फ ईदी साहब की जिम्मेदारी है. We were not even get involved into any of them. Now every student of mine is linked to any social cause that they have chosen for themselves. And as far as inclusion is concerned, I think, as I mentioned, they're very they're better than their previous generations in including, because they, even in IBA, we get kids from various different backgrounds, right? And they're very receptive to them.
Okay.
I make sure I take them to visit multiple organizations. I make sure that they come to KDSP also. Or my kids go and talk to them.
Yeah.
When adults from KDSP go and talk to kids with from IBA, their mindset completely changed.
Yeah.
They can never guess, okay, it's an individual with Down syndrome who's making a presentation or who's made these delicious brownies that I can't even make.
Yeah.
Then their mindset change. True. When you make them realize and understand that they can do whatever they want to do if you provide them enough opportunities.
Exactly.
Because then my class, my students are going to go in the corporate world. मैं उनको वहीं पे उनका mindset change कर रही होती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
In many other things, as I mentioned, soft skills, being good humans, and even in inclusion.
Which in itself teaches them to become a better human being, a better of themselves.
बिल्कुल.
और एक बात आपकी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, जिस पे मेरी अक्सर कई लोगों से लड़ाई हो जाती है, कि जेनजीज को हम जेनजीज अनफॉर्चुनेटली बड़ा मिसअंडरस्टूड है हमारी इन्वायरमेंट। जैसे अगर मैं कॉर्पोरेट इन्वायरमेंट की बात करूँ तो अक्सर मिलेनियल्स या बेबी बूमर्स मुझे ये कहते हैं जेनजीज का तो मिजाज ही नहीं मिलता, उनको सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए, वो तो हर चीज़ ऐसे, हम ऐसे। तो मेरी अक्सर लड़ाई हो जाती है और मैं कहती हूँ कि नहीं, आई फील दैट जेनजीज आर बेटर देन अस. They are so clear, they are purpose driven, and you're absolutely right that they are better than the previous generation. I firmly believe that, and I see that there's so much potential in our Gen Zs. और ये जो आपका जो thought है कि picking them there, Gen Zs in the classroom and bringing that thought, imagine कि अगले 10 साल में हमारा ही environment कितनी तेजी से change हो चुका होगा, inclusion कितनी बेहतर हो गई होगी.
That's what I planned for, inshallah.
Exactly.
That's why I'm continuing. And even see, I know there are missing ends in Gen Zs, but then those missing ends are not required today.
True.
We are not able to let go of those.
Exactly.
That's the problem.
The problem is us.
Exactly.
Not them.
Exactly. I tell everyone, you have to let go your notions. They're old.
Exactly.
You have to let them take over the world.
Exactly.
आप उनको वो चीजें दें, and believe me, they have a lot more to offer.
बिल्कुल.
Than the things that they're missing. They have a lot more to offer.
And there's so much to learn from them. मुझे लगता है मुझे इनसे ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलता है बजाय इसके कि अपनी previous generation से.
पता है उससे हो ये रहा है रोसा कि जब ये acceptability नहीं है ना, then the parents, the corporate leaders, they are not directing them their emotions, intuitions in the right direction. छोड़ दिया. नहीं, Gen Z तो अपने आप को बहुत समझते हैं, हम इनके साथ कुछ. No, आप direct करके तो देखें इनकी aspirations को.
बिल्कुल.
You yourself will be surprised कि all they wanted, all they needed was a little bit of direction. That's it.
सही बात, बिल्कुल सही बात है. So इतनी ज़बरदस्त कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई, हार्ट टू हार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन भी हुई. आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट यू ओपनड अप, सो थैंक यू सो मच. बट बिफोर वी कम टू द क्लोज ऑफ आवर episode today, I would like you to give a message to Pakistan in general and especially to the youth, because हमारी youth की population बहुत बड़ी है. तो आप क्या message देना चाहेंगी? Conclusive message.
Like I mentioned earlier as well, being good humans. और सिर्फ अपना why पे सबसे पहले पता करें, that what's your purpose. And just, for me, it's always be the giver. Like do your job. Not the job, but the job Allah has sent you for. That's it. You find your why. और अपना काम आप मेहनत से दिल लगाकर compassionately करते रहे. Believe me, you'll have the most peaceful sleep at night.
The golden circle.
The golden circle. You have to understand your why, what, how. तो सब खुद ही पता चल जाता है. आपको अपना why पता चल जाए ना. And the most beautiful thing is कि आपका जो what है वो why से related हो जाए.
बिल्कुल.
Right? So you doing your job, fine to run your kitchen, but then what if your job is linked to your why? That's the most blessed and the most beautiful thing that can happen to you.
बिल्कुल.
उसके लिए clarity बहुत ज़रूरी है. A lot of times हमारे मुल्क का अलमिया भी ये है ना कि अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता है कि पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी बीमारी क्या है, तो मैं तो कहती हूँ सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे.
बहुत बड़ी बीमारी,
बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है.
लेकिन आजकल के बच्चे थोड़े अलग हैं, वो इतना नहीं सोचते.
वो बच्चे
बड़े जबरदस्ती करते हैं कि ऐसा सोचो,
ऐसा. एग्जैक्टली वही ना, वो छोड़ नहीं पा रहे अपने नोशंस के. नहीं, दूसरों की गुड बुक्स में रहने के लिए ये कर लो. व्हाई? वो अपने रोल के लिए इस दुनिया में आए हैं, मैं अपने रोल के लिए इस दुनिया में आई. आई हैव टू फुलफिल माई रोल, not fulfill somebody else's role. So the moment you realize your role, your why, life will become so beautiful.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Tabish, for the conversation that we've had, your messages. I think what KDSP is doing and what you are doing with KDSP and all that you have done so far is mashallah, amazing job. Continue with that work, and definitely, guys, if you're all those who are watching this episode, I'm definite that you would be inspired by this conversation कि आप भी connect हों KDSP से, अपना why ढूंढे, अपनी life में purpose लेके आएं, and finally understand that inclusivity is not charity. It's not a policy. And I think earlier in one of the episodes, one of my very dear guests also said that inclusion starts from your home. So I think घर से start करने की ज़रूरत है inclusion को. और with this, the objective is to become better of yourself. With this, we come to the close of today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A very typical dialogue that all YouTubers say, and I'm going to say that too. And see you in the next episode, another exciting episode. And definitely I've decided कि KDSP के बच्चों के साथ, especially वो those entrepreneurs के साथ हम एक episode जरूर करेंगे. Keep watching, keep shining. All the very best. Allah Hafiz.